Top 10 dirt runway landings and takeoffs. Number 10. Backcountry Super Cub. The Super Cub is a Bush airplane designed and produced by Backcountry Super Cubs aircraft manufacturer based in Douglas, Wyoming. The Super Cub features large low-pressure bushwheel-style tundra tires that allow operations on rough terrain. Number 9. Lockheed C-130 Hercules. The Lockheed C-130 Hercules is an American four-engine turboprop military transport aircraft designed and built by Lockheed, now Lockheed Martin. Capable of using unprepared runways for takeoffs and landings, the C-130 was originally designed as a troop, med-evac, and cargo transport aircraft. The C-130 Hercules has found uses in other roles, including as a gunship, for airborne assault, search and rescue, scientific research support, weather reconnaissance, aerial refueling, maritime patrol, and aerial firefighting. It is now the main tactical airlifter for many military forces worldwide. In 2007, the C-130 became the fifth aircraft to mark 50 years of continuous service with its original primary customer, which for the C-130 is the United States Air Force. The C-130 Hercules is the longest continuously produced military aircraft at more than 60 years. Number 8. Pilatus PC-24. The Pilatus PC-24 is a light business jet produced by Pilatus Aircraft of Switzerland. The aircraft is designed to operate from short, rough, and unpaved airstrips and incorporates an advanced wing design, with a large double-slotted flap system to achieve the necessary performance. The dual-wheel main wheels have 4.8 bar of pressure to prevent sinking in soft surfaces, and the wing flaps have a replaceable abradable surface and shields the high-mounted engines from loose debris. Number 7. Antonov An-74. The Antonov An-74, NATO reporting name Kohler, is a Soviet transport aircraft developed by Antonov Design Bureau. The An-74 was intended to be used in the Arctic and Antarctica. The aircraft's main purpose is to deliver cargo, equipment and personnel over short and medium-range routes in any climatic conditions ranging from -60 to 45 degrees Celsius or -76 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit and at any latitude, including the North Pole, and high altitudes. It can operate to and from low-grade airstrips such as concrete, pebble, ice, and snow aerodromes. Number 6. Ilyushin Il-76. The Ilyushin Il-76, NATO reporting name Candid, is a multi-purpose fixed-wing for-engine turbofan strategic airlifter designed by the Soviet Union's Ilyushin Design Bureau. It was designed to deliver heavy machinery to remote, poorly served areas, and able to operate from short, unprepared airstrips, and capable of coping with the worst weather conditions likely to be experienced in Siberia and the Soviet Union's Arctic regions. Due to its ability to operate from unpaved runways, Il-76 has been useful in undeveloped areas around the world. Number 5. Hawker Beechcraft Hawker 800. The Hawker 800 is a mid-sized twinjet corporate aircraft assembled by an American aerospace manufacturing company, Hawker Beechcraft. Number 4. Ilyushin Il-72. The Ilyushin Il-72, NATO reporting name Classic, is a Soviet long-range narrow-body jetliner conceived in 1960 by Ilyushin Design Bureau. On October 23, 1989, an Il-72 airliner of the East German airline Interflug landed on unprepared, uneven sand and grass field of Gollenberg near Stollen. Captain Heinz-Dieter Kalbach and his crew performed a tough job, including preparations for the flight and extreme landing. After inspecting the landing strip and making the calculations, the weight of the machine had been reduced by removing all equipment that was not necessary for landing. The landing on the 860-meter short unprepared runway is unique to this day and is entered in the Guinness Book of Records. Today, the discarded passenger plane is a tourist attraction. Number 3. Douglas DC-6. The Douglas DC-6 is a piston-powered airliner and cargo aircraft built by the Douglas Aircraft Company from 1946 to 1958. Originally intended as a military transport, it was also reworked into the long-range commercial airliner. More than 700 were built, and many still fly in cargo, military, and wildfire control roles. DC-6 can land on grass and dirt runways with ease, and requires a surprisingly conservative runway length, making it popular around the world. Number 2. Antonov An-24. The Antonov An-24, NATO reporting name Coke, is a 44-seat twin-turboprop transport and passenger aircraft designed in 1957 in the Soviet Union by the Antonov Design Bureau. The An-24 was optimized for operating from rough strips and unprepared airports in remote locations. The high wing layout protects engines and blades from debris. The power-to-weight ratio is higher than that of many comparable aircraft, and the machine is rugged, requiring minimal ground support equipment. First flown in 1959, the An-24 was produced in some 1,000 units in various versions. There are 109 airplanes still in service worldwide, mostly in the post-Soviet states and Africa. Number 1. Boeing C-17 Globemaster III. The C-17 Globemaster III is a large military transport aircraft that was developed for the United States Air Force from the 1980s to the early 1990s by McDonnell Douglas. Boeing, which merged with McDonnell Douglas in 1997, continued to manufacture the C-17 for almost 2 decades. The C-17 commonly performs tactical and strategic airlift missions, transporting troops and cargo throughout the world. Additional roles include medical evacuation and airdrop duties. The C-17 is designed to operate from runways as short as 3,500 feet or 1,100 meters and as narrow as 90 feet or 27 meters. The C-17 can also operate from unpaved, unimproved runways. The thrust reversers can be used to move the aircraft backwards and reverse direction on narrow taxiways using a 3 or more point turn. The C-17 was awarded U.S. Aviation's most prestigious award, the Collier Trophy, in 1994.